Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we talk all things financial independence and financial education. In today's video, we're going to discuss a topic that's often overlooked but crucial: 12 things poor people waste money on. Yes, we'll be exploring some common financial traps that can hinder your journey toward financial independence. So let's dive right in. Number 1 on our list is luxury brand items. Poor people often fall into the trap of trying to keep up with the latest trends and spending their hard-earned money on expensive designer products. Remember, financial independence is all about prioritizing long-term wealth over short-term status symbols. Next up, we have eaten out excessively. Dining out can be convenient, but it can also drain your bank account faster than you think. Poor people often overlook the financial impact of eating out frequently and don't realize that cooking at home can save a significant amount of money in the long run. Number 3 on our list is impulse purchases. Poor people tend to fall victim to impulsive buying habits, often driven by emotional triggers or the desire for instant gratification. It's essential to practice mindful spending and ask yourself if a purchase is truly necessary before splurging on it. Moving on to number 4, we have excessive entertainment expenses. Poor people sometimes spend an excessive amount of money on entertainment, such as going to movies, concerts, or sporting events. While it's important to enjoy life, it's crucial to strike a balance between entertainment and saving for your financial future. Next on our list is renting unnecessary storage units. Poor people often accumulate so many belongings that they need to rent extra storage space, adding to their monthly expenses. Instead, consider decluttering and selling or donating items you no longer need. It not only saves money, but also creates a more minimalist lifestyle. Number 6 is lottery tickets and gambling. Poor people sometimes see gambling as a shortcut to wealth. Unfortunately, it's a risky and unreliable way to build financial security. It's essential to understand the odds and prioritize more stable investment strategies over the allure of quick riches. Moving on, we have expensive cable or satellite TV packages. Poor people often spend a significant amount of money on cable or satellite TV subscriptions, including channels they rarely watch. Consider cutting the cord and exploring more affordable streaming options to save money each month. Number 8 on our list is smoking and excessive alcohol consumption. Poor people sometimes spend a significant portion of their income on cigarettes and alcohol, which not only harms their health but also drains their finances. Quitting smoking and reducing alcohol consumption can not only improve your well-being but also save you money in the long run. Next up, we have high-interest debt and payday loans. Poor people often find themselves trapped in a cycle of borrowing, relying on payday loans or high-interest credit cards to make ends meet. It's crucial to avoid these debt traps and focus on building an emergency fund to handle unexpected expenses. Number 10 on our list is unnecessary bank fees. Poor people sometimes overlook the fees associated with their banking services, such as overdraft fees or ATM fees. It's essential to review your bank statements regularly, find fee-free alternatives, and consider switching to a more affordable bank or credit union. Moving on, we have late payment fees and penalties. Poor people often struggle with managing their bills and end up paying unnecessary late fees and penalties. It's crucial to stay organized, set up reminders, and automate your payments whenever possible to avoid these additional costs. And finally, number 12 on our list is the lack of financial education. Poor people sometimes miss out on the opportunity to learn about personal finance and investment strategies, which can significantly impact their financial well-being. It's crucial to invest in your financial education, read books, attend workshops, and leverage online resources to gain the knowledge you need for long-term financial success. And that concludes our list of 12 things poor people waste money on. Remember, financial independence is attainable for everyone, but it requires making conscious choices about how we spend our money. By avoiding these common pitfalls, you'll be one step closer to achieving your financial goals. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips on financial independence and financial education. Also, leave a comment below sharing your thoughts or any other topics you'd like us to cover in future videos. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay financially empowered.